Portuguese doesn't have a specific word that means would. What Portuguese does have is a verb tense that conveys that idea. Luckily for us, it's one of the easiest tenses to learn. Yes! In just a few minutes, you'll master the conditional and be ready to move on. Grab your notebook and join me. Olá, pessoal! This lesson is part of a series on verb conjugations. Make sure to save the playlist so you can review these patterns whenever needed. So let's begin. The conditional, o futuro do pretérito, as it's called in Portuguese, is a must-learn tense. To keep learning practical and close to real conversations, we'll focus on the pronouns you'll actually hear on the streets in Brazil. Now, what's the beauty of this verb tense? Well, almost all verbs, AR, ER, IR ending verbs, irregular verbs, almost all of them follow the same rule. Let's take a look. Estudar, to study. Eu estudaria, repeat. Você, ele, ela, a gente estudaria. Vocês, eles, elas estudariam. You're not dreaming. Eu, você, ele, ela, a gente share the same conjugation. Fewer forms to memorize and faster speaking. Estudaria, estudariam. Now help me conjugate comer, to eat. Comeria, comeriam. Now assistir, to watch. Assistiria, assistiriam. How would you say, I would speak to the manager? Eu falaria com o gerente. He would complain. Ele reclamaria. They would go home. Eles iriam para casa. Even the feared irregular verbs like ser, estar, ir, vir, por follow the same pattern. Try it with ser. Seria, seriam. Estar. Estaria, estariam. Ir. Iria, iriam. I love it. Vir. Viria, viriam. Por. Poria, poriam. See? Not scary at all. If this is clicking for you and making Portuguese feel easier, give this video a like. It helps the channel and tells me you want more lessons like this. Now, write this down. Verbs ending in ZER, zer, are the exceptions. For example, dizer, to say. Diria, diria, diriam. Now, trazer, to bring. Traria, trariam. How about fazer, to do, to make? Faria, fariam. Even the exceptions are adorable. The conditional is very common in everyday Brazilian Portuguese, but there are also some alternatives that sound even more colloquial in conversations. Click here to learn at least one of them and tell me later what you learned from it. And if you want to become a member of Plain Portuguese and attend our online meetings, you are more than welcome to join us. Thank you very much for watching another lesson. See you next time. Até a próxima. Tchau!